Yeah. Another day, Friday, TGIF. Yeah, just pretty much just try to enjoy the day. Pretty uh a pretty decent day. It just windy. Um, just like it was last night. It was windy, and it's still windy now. I guess one good way you could look at it as plenty of sunlight today. But they gave you plenty of sunlight. Now it's windy. But this will be my message today, to a lot of people, especially they certain individual that have YouTube pages with a large follower of people. Whether that you might have like 8,000, 9,000, maybe 10,000 followers. Some people might have um, close to 200,000 followers. What I just think that everybody on this earth, or if you want to say planet, we all have a specific job that we have to do. Whether that you're doing like the report on chemtrails, whether you're doing the report on the weather weapon, the weather modification, but everybody have a job. Whether that you're speaking about this corrupt government system, but when you look at it, it's like everybody have a job. Everybody have their specific job that they have to do on this earth. But what I don't get sometimes with certain types of individual is that when they make their videos and they will constantly say, they say people this, people that, this, that, the other, such and such, all the things that that this certain individual will say. But he never said like one time that, okay, let's do a live stream on Google Hangout, or like like one of these callers site, or maybe like Blog Talk, that they we can sit around and we can talk about the system, the chemicals they put in our food, the fluoride they put in the water, the chlorine they put in the water, all of the things that they are doing to us and try to kill us real slowly. Then we can have a conversation, we can have a nice dialogue, but some people, they are too chicken to do that, but they will make a video and try to address the problem with certain people. I mean, I just want to say this right here, and I just hate to just sound so harsh and mean, but if you're just doing that and try to address certain individual, that you're not doing that, because you know you're not seeking that person, just that one-on-one conversation or that one-on-one dialogue. If you just making videos and saying that it's people, then what people are you talking about? I mean, are you talking about the people that call themselves woke, or they may call themselves conscious, or they may call themselves that that righteous brother or that righteous sister, like whatever the case may be. But if you're doing that, then you still not doing nothing. Because see, common sense will tell you that, okay, well, brother or sister, I see that you are doing something wrong, so I need to do a Google Hangout. That way that I can, you know, address what you were talking about, because I see that you are doing something wrong. But you see, people, they too coward to do that. And I'm especially like talking to the men's. Talking. I'm not talking to the women, because, we got to be there for our women. You know, you masculine men's, you alpha men's. We got to be there for our women, our wife, and our daughter. We had to be there for her. We had to be masculine. Peek at the sky for a moment. And as you can see with the sky, it's kind of like bluish. But as you can see, like further up, it's kind of like, you can see it's kind of like white, kind of white light, but it's not really blue. The video that I put the other day, now that was a blue sky. That was a pretty blue sky. And like I told you, we getting a lot of wind today. That wind is blowing, and that wind is very, very cold. Yeah, but back to what I was saying. Yeah, I mean, I understand that you have a good presentation on your video. I understand that, but like sometimes that you have to like talk to certain people, certain individuals, whether that you're doing a Google Hangout, um, whether you're doing a Skype call or something. But either either way, it's going to help each other, and that's how you're going to help each other. That's how you're going to get like certain amount of people to wake up and to see what's going on, in this wicked world out here. But if you're just making videos like trying to address like certain individuals, I mean, to certain people it might be good, but like to me, I don't really think that it's not really like good enough. Cause if you have that one-on-one, that dialogue and that conversation with that person, then y'all can work out the problem. You could like tell me what I'm doing wrong. I could tell you what you're doing wrong. But if you just saying people, I mean, what people are you talking about? Of course, everybody not going to be on the same vibration, because everybody think different. Yeah, everybody think different. Everybody on different vibration. Everybody had a different level, the way they think out here in this world and out here in the society. That's why I say, we gotta be real men out here. We that's what we gotta do for the masculine, for the one that might call themselves alpha, the alpha males. That's what we got to be out here. We got to have dialogue, conversation, and talk to each other like men and talk to each other like gentlemen. That's what we got to do. Because the longer you saying like certain people, then you're part of the problem, and you are creating problem. You know what I'm saying? You are still creating problem for this society, and you create problem whether that you know about it or not, and you are still creating problem. Uh, and I'm not talking about, like certain individual that, that be on YouTube, with all of that back and forth drama and all of that argument. No, I'm not talking about that. That just straight out nonsense. Yeah, buddy, that wind is kicking. That wind is blowing so hard. About to blow this little car off the road. Well, anyway, my good brother and sisters, TGIF. Enjoy your weekend. Enjoy your family. Go out, take your kids out. If it's nice weather in your area, in your state. Well, like I said, one good thing, we getting a lot of sunlight, but that wind ain't no joke. But anyway, brothers and sisters, I'm out. Y'all take care. Have a nice weekend. And on that note, I'm gonna say peace, love, and harmony. And I'm out. Peace.